In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the Odoo database. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Deleting a database can be a significant action, so it's important to approach it with care. Odoo provides a straightforward way to do this, but ensure you have backed up any crucial data you may need before proceeding. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to head to the home page of your Odoo environment. If you're unsure where to start, simply log into your Odoo account. Once you're on the home page, look for the user icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that icon to access your user settings and other options. Next up, look for the option that says My Databases. Clicking on this will take you to the Database Management section. Here you will see a list of all the databases linked to your Odoo account. It's important that you proceed with caution at this stage to avoid any unwanted deletions. Now, find the specific database that you wish to delete. You'll see a small settings icon next to each database listed. Click on that settings icon for the database you're interested in. This is where you'll be able to manage various options related to that database. After clicking the settings icon, one of the options that will appear is Manage. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to further arrange or delete your database. The next step is crucial. Look for the Delete option. Once you find it, click on it. Odoo will typically prompt you for confirmation at this point because deleting a database can't be undone easily. This safeguard protects you from accidental deletions, which is always a good thing. Finally, after clicking Delete, you will receive a pop-up or some form of confirmation request. This is your last chance to reconsider the action. If you're certain that you want to proceed with the deletion, confirm your choice. Odoo will process your request, and within moments, the database should be deleted. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Odoo database. Remember to double-check that you really want to delete the database before taking these steps, as recovering an accidentally deleted database can be incredibly challenging. If you have any questions about this process, or if you're encountering any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy Odoo managing!